Magandang araw mga kababayan at pakikiramay sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan na nasalanta ng Bagyong Christine, ngayon naman ang Bagyong Leon dyan sa hilagang bahagi ng Pilipinas. Alright, noong nakaraang Lunes, medyo napikon ito si Senator Risa Hontiveros nang tanungin ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada si former President Rodrigo Duterte kung bakit hindi siya tumitingin doon sa bandang kanan. Kasi alam naman natin na doon sa kanyang bandang kaliwa ni President Duterte, kanan ni Senator Jinggoy, na andyan ho si former Senator Laila de Lima. At alam niyo naman, itong former president is marami talagang, how can I say that, gumagawa ng mga katatawanan. Pakinggan ho natin, then we will say some words
Some
about it.
questions addressed to the former president. Mr. President, kanina pa ho kayo tingin sa amin, lagi kayo tumitingin sa kanan, hindi ho kayo tumitingin sa kaliwa. Nagpapansinan na ba kayo ni Senator De Lima?
Wala maganda dyan, dito lang.
Anyway,
Mr. Chair.
to be serious,
Yes,
on a serious
Mr.
note,
Chair.
sir.
And
I think,
I beg
Senator
the
Jinggoy,
SP
Senator
Pro
Risa,
Tempore to lead us in setting the tone that this is not a laughing matter.
I'm
Yes,
not,
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
I was not joking.
I was just, para ma-lighten lang yung mood, Mr. Chair. Anyway, on a serious note,
Yes, okay.
Mr.
Continue.
President, how do you assess the...
Siguro alam ho naman siguro lahat ng mga Pilipino na itong former president ay talagang mapagbiro. Kaya kapag ikaw ay pikon at saka kaharap mo itong presidente, talagang matatalo ka. Kaya on this note, Senator Risa Hontiveros, although may punto naman si Senator Risa Hontiveros, but Senator Jinggoy also made that side comments about that na hindi naman related doon sa topic at hand. Pero talaga, minsan, you have to accept things like that, but you can go back to the topic. Kaya, wag maging pikon para hindi matalo. Okay? So, agree or disagree? Just comment below.